It is Sunday! We have a fast routine today! 3 minutes! Ready? We are ready! We go fast, fast, fast! Yes! We go now!
Big bamboo smoothie. I feel strong. Me too. Strong and ready.
Next, the park! We jump now!
Jump now! Hold tight!
We are flying!
I love Sunday.
Yes! We fly down! Hold tight! We go fast! Too fast! My ears are dancing!
Are you okay? I am okay. I need one deep breath.
Climb the tree! Fast routine!
Climb now! Keep going!
I am last! It is okay. We try again next Sunday.
First Cyberkoi wins this golden bamboo. Ready?
Fishing starts now!
Cast slowly. Then wait.
I wait! I cannot wait!
It is big! It is big! Very big! Hold it! Hold it!
Teamwork! Pull together!
Together! 1, 2! Quack! Big fish!
Wow! It is real! It is huge! You win today!
Me! I win! Thank you!
Dinner is fast! Very fast! It smells good! Yes! It is good food!
Cleaning time.
I clean fast!
Wow! Clean plates.
Plates!
Clean plates, clean home.
Quack! Movie time! Yes! Movie time! Sit close! I want more popcorn!
One more, then sleep soon. Big day, now we rest.
Yes! Time to sleep!
Walk slowly, quiet now.
Quiet!
Very quiet.
Good night, friends!
Good night, see you next Sunday.
Pods close, lights go down.
We did it, we are safe. My light is funny. Small problem, fix it fast. I can fix it. Fixed. Good. Shh. Quiet. Quack. Quiet.
Your boots are loud.
Sorry, I am sleeping. Thank you, hero.
You are welcome. Sleep now. Night check. All good. All calm.
One small snack. Quack, quack. Yum.
Sunday routine is done. Done.
Good night.
I am tired. I will sleep now. Sleep is important. Sleep helps us.
In my dream, we fly.
Quack! We fly!
The city is quiet. Sunday ends softly.
We are a team!
Teamwork is kind.
Next Sunday, another routine.
Good night, everyone. See you next time.